In this video, you'll learn a fast and simple way to assign leads in Pipedrive so your team can follow up quickly and stay organized. Keeping lead ownership updated is key to maintaining accountability and moving prospects through your pipeline efficiently. Start by heading to the Leads section from the left-hand sidebar. This is your Leads inbox, where unqualified prospects are stored separately from deals. If you don't see it right away, look for the Leads icon. This area is ideal for managing and assigning leads before they are converted into deals. Next, find and select the lead you want to assign. Click on it to open its details. You'll see a panel with important information about that lead. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if there are similar names or companies. Now, locate the field labeled Owner or Lead Owner. Hover over the current owner's name, and you'll see a small Edit or Pen icon appear. Click on that icon to begin editing. If you're using a smaller screen, this field may be under a Details or Summary section. Just expand it to find the Owner field. Type the name of the team member you want to assign the lead to, then select them from the drop-down list. Be sure to choose the correct person if there are similar names. Once you're ready, click Save. The update happens instantly, and you'll see the new owner reflected right away. If the person you're looking for doesn't appear, they may need to be added to your Pipedrive account or given proper access by an admin. Depending on your notification settings, the new owner may also be notified automatically. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more quick tips to help you get the most out of your tools.